Hi there, students. To have yet to do something. Okay, it's talking about something you haven't done, something that is maybe pending. But we use this phrase in two slightly different ways. So if you have a list of things to do today, you can cross some of them off, but the others are things you have yet to do. So I have yet to do the shopping. Or maybe you have a shopping list. I've bought the meat and I've bought the salt, but I have yet to get the fruit and the flour and the cheese. Okay, so something you haven't done yet. I quite like this because it's yet in a positive phrase. We can also use I have yet to find, meaning it's something that you have looked for a long time, but you can't find an example of it. So this product is the best, and I have yet to find something that works better. So this we're using to mean, in all my experience, I haven't found one that works better. I have looked for many years for an example of this construction, but I have yet to find one that is acceptable. So very often I say in class, okay, this is the rule and you never do it like this, but I have yet to find an example which contradicts this. Okay, it's possible that you might find one, but up to now you haven't found it. So, two different ways. Something you've yet to do. You have a list of things to do, and you have yet to do some of them. The things you haven't done, you still haven't done. Okay, so I have yet to make lunch. I haven't made lunch yet. I have yet to correct several more pieces of homework. So it's something that's pending and imminent and you need to do it. And then the other example, I have yet to find an example of this. In all my experience and all my years, I haven't found an example of this, but maybe there is one out there and I keep looking. Okay? So I'm certain you have yet to find a better teacher on YouTube. You never know, one might appear. Well, that's a bit big-headed. Okay, so what about formality? I think this is probably neutral formality, although it's most common as spoken English. It probably has a little touch of formality to it, but you could definitely use it in an informal conversation. It sounds quite posh. I haven't done this yet. Put it the other way. I have yet to do this. Okay, so I have to do it. I must do it yet. Okay, it's something that I must do, but in the near future. So I was talking about formality. I think you could use this for something in medium formality. The government has yet to implement these new regulations. Yeah, it sounds quite good. I think probably you could use it in a very formal document as well. It sounds much better than using the negative. It just shows a little bit of skill. So, I have yet to give the final phrases of this video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To have yet to do something.